Criminal crime doing further they to bring disaster nuclear warhead base disaster they to throw torpedo on the we say they are to do you see the light, you see this light, how going this light, this is from underneath action, this is underneath action. I to mention this video देखो मम्मी देखो कैसे बैड इंसिडेंट्स होते थे पीपल सिग्नो गोबर होते ना देखो और इधर सैटेलाइट होइछे इधर LIC करिछे हु टू टेक लाइफ स्नैच दे टू टॉक साथ के साथ नहीं तुम्हारा जिंदगी बर्बाद करने के लायक हो जाता है। ओ तुम उसको के देखो ना ऑल दिस क्रिमिनल्स व्हाट टू क्लेम द एशिया बिजनेस रिपोर्ट ये देखो क्रिमिनल आ गया ही इज ए सैटन ही इज ए सैटनिक पावर दैट all and satanic witches remote control, you cannot give any order. One is independent, your NATO, biowarfare pathogens, you are so expert in the technology, mutant and bioengineering, you are far away than China. All chemicals, biologicals were dependent. China on to US and not a European country. How they have maybe developed by their scientific, because though technology has been given by you, these people as you satanic people, but that reason you have to change that cube connections with China. And China is threatening you. That is all bugbash. It is the crime, laughing crime on the course of the 400 million people. That idiot, he is not asked before going to impeach Donald Trump, who has been kept by digitally away. And can I reach you your website? I can reach you, Mr. Culprit, your Facebook, Apple, Telsa, Boeing, whatever, that's all criminals. He has been captured by the Indian Chudchata, Witchcrafty, Chudmarani, Bengali, Chudmarani, NIA India, Chudmarani. This is that's criminals. All this criminal has make that ahead of the bad doom days is coming. All whatever they are to praising the peoples, they are very, very, very criminal crime doing date world annihilation. It is a catastrophe as per Sri Aurobindo. Unless I was there, that catastrophe could have been earlier. I do not know that catastrophe can be stopped, but if it is God divine. When Gurudev has talked that Brahma, Lord Brahma, what you call Abraham, is much intelligent than any other people on earth, so you cannot make whatever design to do world humanitarian. Each and every weapons has the top in your hand, in the hand of Satan. Digital, giant technologies, aerospace, satellite launching, torpedo launching, missile locking power, then pathogen developing, just corona, havoc in Ebola, you can make new strain and to spread as if that has been come naturally. How this idiot naturally that Ebola will reach, corona has to reach, corona has no report on the passage per humanity, but unless the China has not suppressing the fact, it is developed in their country. How that can they take virulent suddenly? And that even that virulent suddenly, that virus is supposed to be endemic. It is not a killing, just like bird flu, to destroy the all infected stock. That human you cannot down in that way. That all these criminal Satan powers, you have gathered one platform to do world humanity. And these wrong peoples, if these people march on the 26th, these people will be killed on the road only. Because you have to obey my order, you to remain from agitation on this particular date, 15th August and 26th January. Each and everybody, and that has to be Narendra Modi to ban this thing. all those peoples, the Indian chuchata, we chuchata, own mothers, own baby, own daughters to malign forcefully, and the criminal old aged we chase only to stimulate this brain. Chudir bacha, chuchata, chudmaranir, chuchata, 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 chuchata hero, chingoli, Maoist, chudmaranir, chudir bacha, chuchata, 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 which समझ में मैंने बंगाली में चुदमारानी शाला चुचाटा खूने giant shaitan barbar savage chuchata chuchata. Now I thought the maid complained thou is coming, sunrise is coming, and they too horrible করে রাখছিল. So that is the time is now. What is the time? Oh, 8 बजे 8 डेली 8. तो आज ये 25th January Monday. Oh, they have to do it.